Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps on how to log out of Outlook and of course, how to log back in when you need to. So if you're using an Outlook on the web, the process to log out is straightforward. Begin by navigating to outlook.com and signing in with your account credentials. Once you sign in, spot your profile feature in the top right corner and click on it. Now a drop-down menu will appear and from there, select Sign Out. This ensures that your Outlook session is securely closed. For those using the Outlook desktop application, logging out is a piece of cake. Simply open the application on your computer and click on File at the top left corner. Now in the menu that appears, choose Account Settings, and from there, select Sign Out. This straightforward process ensures a secure logout, allowing users to manage their account settings with ease. Now, if you ever find yourself needing to log back in, for the web version, a quick visit to outlook.com is all you need. Just sign in with your credentials and you're good to go. For the desktop application, simply open Outlook, navigate to File, and select Add Account to seamlessly log back in. This is a straightforward process to regain access to your Outlook account whether you're using the web version or the desktop application. And there you have it. Logging in and out of Outlook is a walk in the park with this simple step. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.